Good evening everyone. Myself Ashwika. Currently I am studying Third year BTech first semester in Srinivasa Ramanjanan Institute of Technology. Today I am here to tell about the parabola reflectors in antennas and wave propagation. Topic is parabola reflectors. Introduction to parabola reflectors. Parabola reflectors are devices that use the geometric shape of a parabola to direct light or sound or other forms of energy. They are widely used in various applications such as satellite dishes, headlights, and solar collectors. Understanding their properties help optimize their design for specific functions. Here are parabolic graphics. The graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola. General form of parabola is f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. If it opens 0 greater than 0, if opens down a greater than 0. If we want to get the vertex of the parabola, h equal to minus p by 2a and k equal to f of h. First of all, we want to know what is parabola. A parabola is a symmetric U-shaped curve described by a quadratic equation. Its unique property is that any point on the parabola is equidistant from the focus and the directrix. The shape of parabola can be visualized as a curve generated by a point moving so that its distance from a fixed point, that is focus, equals to its distance from a fixed line, that is called as directrix. The geometric properties of parabola. The parabola's symmetry makes it ideal for directing energy in a specific direction. Rays parallel to the parabola's axis of symmetry reflect through the focus. These properties are fundamental for the reflector's ability to focus signals or light efficiently. How parabola reflectors work? Parabola reflectors work by reflecting incoming parallel waves toward a single focal point. This focusing effect enhances signal strength or light intensity at the focal point. The shape ensures minimal energy loss, making them highly efficient. What are the common types of parabola reflectors? These shape reflectors are the most common and are used in satellite communication and radio telescopes. Parabolic mirrors are used in telescopes to collect and focus light. Parabolic headlights focus beams of light for better visibility. Here are some of the model graphs of parabola. What are the applications of parabola reflectors? Satellite dishes use parabola reflectors to focus signals onto the receiver. Solar conductors use them to focus sunlight onto a small area for energy generation. Parabolic microphones capture sound from a distance by focusing sound waves onto a receiver. What are the advantages of a parabola reflectors? They efficiently focus energy, providing high gain and signal strength. Their shape allows for precise targeting of signals or light. They are durable and can be manufactured in various sizes for different needs. How to designing parabola reflectors? Let us know how we want to design and how to design. The key parameters include size, shape, and focal length of the parabola. Accurate manufacturing ensures the reflector performs optimally. Computer-aided design, that is short from CAD, tools are often used to create precise parabola shapes. What we want to know means what we want to design parabola reflector means we want size, shape, and focal length of the parabola. What are the challenges and limitations? Parabola reflectors can be expensive to manufacture at large sizes. Misalignment can cause signal loss or reduce focus. Environmental factors like wind and debris can impact their performance over time. These are the Some of the challenges and limitations. Future trends and innovations. What are the future trends and innovations of parabola reflectors? Advance in materials will make reflectors lighter and more durable. Adaptive or adjustable parabola reflectors will improve focus accuracy. Integration with smart technology will enhance control and performance. These are the future trends and innovations of the parabola reflectors. Thank you.